Yeah, this is the town I grew up in, Dayton, Texas. I really was surprised to see this. They're having a cattle drive in Dayton, Texas. Now, I wished I was still there. 'Cause I'd be in on it. I wonder if that's Roger Breen's brother in the highway patrol car. Roger Breen was my best friend when I lived in Dayton. Sure looks a lot different than when I was there, of course. That's a long time ago when I was there. Don't look anything like it did when I lived there. It don't look like there's still much to do there. Biggest thing was we had a skating ring that would come once a year. I'm gonna have to go back there and visit. I've been thinking about that, going back visiting places I used to live. Got the cow dog working. It almost looks like the road I used to live on. But I understand this is a prison now from what I've been told. Yeah, I wish I was down there taking part in that. Big old Charlet bull. It may have been 350 head. They was questioning that, but they keep coming. Well, that looks like about all of it. Yep, sure does. Thank y'all for watching. Hey, I know y'all know about the drawing, or maybe you don't. If you don't, please put a comment down below, put you in the drawing, and I'll do that. So y'all please do that. We'd like for you to win. And you can't win if you don't enter. God bless y'all, and you come back now, you hear?